So hello everyone, today in this video we're gonna discuss about discovery of proton. As last time we have discussed about discovery of electron. So let's see what is discovery of proton basically. Here proton is discovered by Goldstein was the scientist who discovered the proton. What he did, he just did with changing in discharge tube. As I told you that J. Thomson took the low pressure that was 10 raised to power minus 3 minus 3 mm of Hg, while this Goldstein took the pressure that was again lowest pressure that was 10 raised to power minus 1 1 mm of Hg. So this was low pressure is basically of J.J. Thomson, not of Goldstein. Thomson. Okay. However, the Goldstein took the lowest pressure that was 10 raised to power minus 1 mm of Hg. After that energy changing that J.J. Goldstein did, he basically used Used perforated cathode. However, in the J.J. Thomson's, we took what? We took the perforated anode, while here in this charge in the Goldstein, he took the perforated of cathode. Okay. After that, what he did, he discovered. So he just told that discovery of proton is done by anode ray or cathode ray, not by any electrode. This was done by anode ray or cathode ray. Let me make the picture of discharge tube. Here was discharge tube. Having anode, sorry, cathode. Here we were having anode. Okay, and he placed what? He placed the perforate sheet on the cathode. Perforated on cathode. This is cathode. This is anode. Okay, so what he did, he said that the electron which are coming from anode to cathode, जो रेज जो एनोड से कैथोड की तरफ आती हैं, मतलब which come from negative to positive, नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव की तरफ आती हैं. So there was a glow on this perforated cathode. There was a fluorescence. There was a glow of light, so that they identified that there is another particle, that is proton. The rays moving from anode to cathode. रेस कहाँ से जाई थी? एनोड की तरफ से कैथोड पर. Okay. After that, here are the properties of these. Right here. Sorry. Properties. So properties of these cathode rays are basically what? Number one property is they are made up of charged particle, that is positive. Charge particle that is positive. Okay. After that, they identified that their origin is gaseous ions. Their origin, इनका origin क्या था? Their origin is gaseous ion. Why gaseous ion? There was not the we can say origin is not electrode. However, these rays are coming from anode to cathode. So just because of gaseous ions, we took the low temperature lowest. So for that, from the gaseous ion, the electron was going to anode, and from cathode, the positive charge was going towards anode. So this is how from the gaseous ion we identify that there is another particle, that is proton. Okay. Another property, they depend upon nature of gases. Depend However, those electron wasn't depend upon nature of gases or anything, but these proton depend upon nature of gases. So that's why they are not fundamental. So that's why they are not fundamental particle. Okay. After that, the EM ratio of proton is, that is different, and different for different, we can say, material, depend nature of gases, different for different material, and also this depend on nature of gases. Okay, so for the lightest, like for example here we have lightest gas, that is first lightest gas, that is hydrogen. So this hydrogen have basically what mass, which is minimum mass. So these mean this has low mass to charge ratio. So mass to charge ratio depend upon the nature of gases, which gas it is either highest or least. After that, here one point is which you have all have to note it, that in the case of हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन के केस में these rays made up of proton. Only in the case of hydrogen these rays are made up of proton. Otherwise these rays are made up of gaseous ions. For example, here we have what? Here we have positive charge, here we have electron. Okay, here I played the anode, here I played the cathode. So these electron move towards the anode, and these positive charge move towards the cathode. So now this is neutral. So this means on the basis of, or in the case of hydrogen, this atom is made up of only proton, because proton is only present in the mid, because electron gonna to attract anode. Okay. After that, here we have what? Charge of proton and mass of proton. So charge of proton is basically what? The charge of proton is, that is same as charge of electron, 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. However, the mass of proton is 1.625 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kilogram. So proton is 183.6 times heavier than electron. So this was all about discovery of proton. In the next video, we're gonna discuss somehow of J.J. Thomson, why he got the gold medal. So bye bye.